टू फेस लाइव टॉक शो। कोरोना वायरस को लेकर लोगों के मन में डर बैठ गया है, वहीं हमें एक आशा की किरण नजर आई है। आज हमारे साथ हैं जयपुर से डॉक्टर सुधीर भंडारी। ही इज सीनियर प्रोफेसर ऑफ मेडिसिन एट सवाई मानसिंह मेडिकल कॉलेज एंड हॉस्पिटल जयपुर. He is a renowned physician and diabetologist and fellow of Royal College Physician London. Dr. Bhandari has published 80 articles in prestigious medical journals and contributed a chapter for the textbook on hypertension, diabetes, and cardiovascular disorders. Welcome to this show, Doctor. Hello, Doctor.
Well, good. Nice talking to you, Rashmi, and I think I'm happy to be with you. I think it's a pleasure to be with you. I heard about you, and I think all the compliments for a good show which you run, and it's a pleasure to be with you.
थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर साहब। पूरी दुनिया में आपकी ही बात हो रही है, जैसे आपने ट्रीटमेंट हुआ जयपुर से 3 पेशेंट्स का, एंड इतनी खुशी की बात है दैट इट्स, और इससे जान के लोगों में एक हिम्मत बन गई है कि हम कोरोना से लड़ सकते हैं। सो प्लीज आप बताइए लाइक हाउ यू हैव ट्रीटेड, प्लीज लेट अस नो अबाउट दैट।
I'm the principal and controller of one of the biggest medical college hospitals in country and Asia. The hospital which I had has 6,000 beds with almost 20,000 patients coming every day.
Fantastic.
So we have the most specialized hospital. We have facilities like heart transplant, kidney transplant, liver transplant, etc. That's just I want to give you a background of my hospital.
Yeah, sure.
So since January, जब से ये कोरोना का इशू चल रहा था, sensitized that someday it may come to our country also.
Yes.
Now, if we recollect, India mein, there was a huge epidemic of swine flu in 2011-12.
Correct.
And a huge number of swine flu patients which we have been handling. And we have a very strong team and we had a great experience of handling the swine flu pneumonia.
Okay.
So, having heard all about corona, having heard all about the complications, we were gearing ourselves how to deal with the situation.
Okay.
So this January, if you recollect, there was another pneumonia known as SARS or MERS.
Yeah.
MERS is the respiratory syndrome, which happened in 2015-16.
Okay.
So I realized that this coronavirus is akin or similar to the MERS or SARS which happened in 2015 and 16.
Okay.
So we had geared up with a huge hospital we have. We had a team of doctors. We checked up a lot of literature. And when we realized that we should think of using a combination of drugs which can reduce the replication. Replication means the growing number of the virus.
Okay.
So if you can maintain viral replication, the patient recovers faster.
Okay.
So it would happen that in last week of February, we got one couple from Italy and another patient from 80.
Okay.
Now, the important thing is that आपको पता होना चाहिए कि there is a high risk group in corona.
Okay.
Corona is a viral infection which affects the lung. And if you know the statistics of corona, जो मैं statistics आपको बताऊंगा, that will console each one of you, that 80 to 81% cases में it causes mild flu-like symptoms. So nothing to worry about it. In 15 to 16% cases, it can cause severe pneumonia. And it needs to be treated accordingly. But in 2 to 4% patient, it can cause a lot of complication and which could be dangerous.
Okay.
Now, who are the 2 to 4% people? If anyone has high blood pressure, anyone has diabetes, anyone has heart problem, anyone has asthma, anyone has cancer, anyone has steroids, or any situation in a senior citizen who is immunocompromised. So if immunocompromised senior citizens are the people who are falling in 2 to 4 complication group. So when we got these first 3 patients, one was the under 60, 2 patients. Second patient was a 69-year-old patient with lungs problem, emphysema and heart problem. And third patient was an 85-year-old patient with kidney problem. Now, we started treating them with the best of medical treatment, best of support treatment, and then we have a huge team of consultants. We have a core of 5 consultants who strategize the treatment of each and every patient. हर पेशेंट का हम एक ट्रीटमेंट स्ट्रेटेजी बनाते हैं जो पेशेंट वेरी करती है। तो हमने इन पेशेंट्स का भी ट्रीटमेंट स्ट्रेटेजी बनाया इन द बेस्ट पॉसिबल मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट, बेस्ट पॉसिबल देयर डायबिटिक ट्रीटमेंट, बेस्ट पॉसिबल सपोर्टिव ट्रीटमेंट, एंटीबायोटिक ट्रीटमेंट. Then finally the challenge came to us that we should use some antiviral drug with our experience of treating swine flu before,
Okay.
that we can contain the virus growth.
जी.
So we checked up the literature, absolutely fine, but we gathered the confidence of using antiretroviral, the drugs which are used for HIV,
हाँ जी.
because coronavirus has similar molecular structure like HIV.
Okay.
It has an instance of HIV. So we use the two antiretroviral drugs, which lopinavir and retinovir, which are used for retroviral disease, which we have been using for years together, and we found them safe, no significant side effect. At the same time, we realized that chloroquine is a drug. Tens of trials are going on. One anti-malarial drug, chloroquine, has an antiviral activity also.
Oh.
So we use a combination of chloroquine, we use a combination of two antiviral drugs. We have Indian Institute of Medical Research. We knew some scientists there. We took their consent and concurrence. We took the consent of patient and we started using these drugs on day-to-day monitoring. Whenever we start a drug regime, we need to monitor the side effect after taking due consent for the patient. Fortunately, patient started feeling better clinically.
Okay.
Patient started responding them, and we used to test them for corona virus load every third day. Within a week's time, the patient number 1 became negative,
Wow.
and 2 and 3 patient also became corona negative. So that was a very winning field which we had, and our intention was that if we can reduce the viral load
Yeah.
by making the patient corona negative, then it will cause less of respiratory damage, less of respiratory pneumonia, and the patient will recover faster. So our endeavor was that we give patient best of the medical treatment, best of the support treatment, and we wanted to use the established antiviral drug with anti-malarial drug, which has been now approved by the FDA, which we had already used.
Wow.
In fact, I'm a part of a trial. We have been using this anti-malarial drug, hydroxychloroquine and chloroquine, for treatment of diabetes also because of its anti-inflammatory pattern for long.
Okay.
So we have been doing a lot of research. We use this antiviral and anti-malarial drug, and fortunately, both the patient have become negative. Two of them we are discharged.
Wow.
Third patient became corona negative, but still he's struggling because of his primary heart and lung problem.
Okay.
So made him corona negative, but he has the issues of his chronic smoker's lung with compromised lung function, heart problem. So that's beyond the scope of our treatment.
Ji.
But he is still struggling because of his primary cardiac and lung problem. We've got few new patients also today, and we have put simple. There's a set criteria of these antiviral therapy.
Okay.
A person who is asymptomatic, who doesn't have any pneumonia, need not to be put on this antiviral drug. But there are set indications that the patient has a pneumonia on X-ray, patient has falling oxygen saturation, patient has low blood counts, and there are certain patient is deteriorating. So there are definite scientific indications. We follow that. We take the consent of the patient, and we have very intense protocol to monitor in day-to-day basis with a lot of blood tests, the monitoring tests to be done that patient is doing fine. So we have put on few more patients on this new drug combination. It is a very beginning. This is a very initial observation of ours. I hope it will require a lot of long-term trials, lot of studies for a strong documentation. And I'm sure over the period of time, by studying genetic sequencing, by studying more of a genetic studies of coronavirus, seeing the patient profile, doing more and more of clinical trials, we should be able to. But so far, we have been able to successfully use this established combination with anti-malarial, and patient has really, and we have put on the newer patients. So could be we have started getting a lot of corona patients
Ji.
with complications. So could be we'll be much more richer in our experience after a month time or a few weeks time. So no reason to worry. I will tell my all the people around, don't worry. I must share confidently that it is a responsibility each one of you now
Ji.
that to be confined to our homes for next 3 to 4 weeks.
डॉक्टर
We
साहब,
need
आई
to
वुड
prevent
लाइक टू आस्क कि जो कॉमन जो हमारा फ्लू है और इसमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि वी हैव कोरोना, या हमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा अवेयरनेस करनी है, डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए? सो अभी भी लोगों को इतना समझ नहीं आ रहा है इसके बारे में, कुछ बताना चाहेंगे आप?
बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है। कॉमन फ्लू इज सो कॉमन कि हर आदमी को यहाँ पे भी जुकाम हो जाता है, वो सोचता है कोरोना हो गया।
जी।
ना कोरोना के जो मेन सिम्टम्स होते हैं, कॉफ, फीवर, सोरनेस ऑफ थ्रोट, एंड कुछ दिन बाद आपको ब्रेथलेसनेस हो जाता है। बट आई वुड अगेन रिपीट व्हाट आई सेड टू यू, दैट 80 to 81% पेशेंट में ये माइल्ड फ्लू लाइक सिम्टम होते हैं और क्लियर हो जाते हैं। The blocked nose or running nose is an integral part of the flu symptoms. तो अगर आपका नाक बंद है, नाक में से पानी बहुत आ रहा है, the things are going more in favor of flu rather than corona.
ओके।
Before that, the history of travel to the affected country and the contact with corona patient was important aspect of diagnosis. But चूंकि अब तो ये global हो गया है, it is a community it has taken. It may happen without travel history also.
ओह, ओके। या आज ही न्यूज़ में था, लाइक आई हैव हर्ड कनिका कपूर, शी केम फ्रॉम यूके और उन्होंने पार्टीज में भी वो गई, उन्होंने ध्यान नहीं रखा, तो इट्स स्प्रेडिंग इन अदर पीपल। आज उनका आया है कि शी हैज दैट सिम्टम। सो
I tell you, it is a moral responsibility each one of us.
बिल्कुल।
Just contain yourself, spend time with your family, don't go out, and you know the basic thing. अगर सबसे पहले अगर वायरस इन्फेक्ट करता है, द फर्स्ट स्टेशन फॉर वायरस इज आपका थ्रोट और साइनसेस। दीज आर द साइनसेस वेयर द वायरस गेट्स, बिकॉज एंड इट penetrates the epithelium, the lining of sinuses. So I would strongly recommend, if you do the warm water gargles, avoid cold water or ice cream. If you take steam morning, evening, or 2 or 3 times a day, or if you suspect that you have gone to a crowded place, you have been exposed, come back home and take the good steam for 4 5 minutes. Probably it looks like that you can deactivate the, if at all you have been exposed to the virus. So warm water and taking steam is one of the very important simple thing. आप सभी लोग करेंगे तो आपको कॉन्फिडेंट फील होगा। आई एम श्योर आपको हैंड वॉशिंग मैनर्स पता होंगे, आपको स्नीज और कॉफ करने का ऑल, ये तो सब एस्टेब्लिश फैक्ट है। बट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इन हैंड वॉश, आपको मालूम है ये वायरस व्हेन इट कम्स आउट, जब हम बात करते हैं और खांसी करते हैं, इट फॉल्स डाउन ऑन द सॉलिड सरफेस,
ओके।
और वहां 6 to 8 hours तक अलाइव रह सकता है। We accidentally touch our hand on solid space,
हाँ जी।
and then we can touch our hand to the face and we find it exposed. So frequent hand washing is very important. Drinking warm water is very important. Steam अगर आप ले लें after public exposure, it is said to prevent, because sinuses are the place where viral stations first once they enter the body.
वी हैड अ कॉल इन अवर स्टूडियो। एक व्यूअर पूछना चाहते हैं कि नॉन वेज खाना बंद कर देना चाहिए उन्हें, या इट्स ओके इफ ही इज ईटिंग चिकन एंड?
Truth, आपने देखा होगा,
जी।
हम कोई भी चीज नेचर के अगेंस्ट करते हैं तो हमको एक प्राइस पे करना पड़ता है। आप देखिए कि बेसिकली कोरोना इज ए जूनोटिक वायरस है।
जी।
ये एक तरह का एनिमल्स और रोडेंट्स का वायरस है। बिकॉज ऑफ अननेचुरल फूड हैबिट्स ये वायरस म्यूटेट हो गया और इट इज अफेक्टिंग द ह्यूमन। सो theoretically, because many times we have the raw non-veg, we don't know how infectious non-veg is. So theoretically, I would say definitely there is a risk, because we have seen, if you look at the history, whether you look at the bird flu, whether the swine
Yeah.
flu, whether Nipah virus, all have been coming, they are the zoonotic viruses. So looking to the history of viruses, I would say vegetarian food is more safe.
बट आम लोगों की सोच ये प्रोटीन चाहिए तो चिकन खाना चाहिए हमें, दैट्स व्हाट दे ऑलवेज टेल। इट्स अ सिंपल थिंग व्हाट आई हैव बीन हियरिंग फ्रॉम यंग जनरेशन।
मैं इसके लिए मना नहीं करूंगा,
जी।
बिकॉज ठीक है, हाई फूड सब ही अच्छा हो सकता है,
जी।
बट theoretically आई वुड से vegetarian food is very safe. The almonds, the dry fruits gives you adequate protein. So I think because having our experience of zoonotic infections, I think it cannot be possibility cannot be ruled out.
बिल्कुल। और पेट से कोई प्रिकॉशन आपको लगता लेना चाहिए, लाइक पीपल हैव पेट्स इन देयर हाउस, यहाँ अमेरिका में तो बहुत ज़्यादा है।
The very important thing is that all pets to be vaccinated properly.
ओके।
आप करें कि आपका पेट्स का वैक्सीनेशन टाइमली होना चाहिए. इवन यू नो पेट्स आर वैक्सीनेटेड फॉर कोरोना वैक्सीन.
ओह
So
अच्छा,
they need to.
वी डिडंट न्यू अबाउट दैट। ओके।
The dogs, you see the vaccination card of all the pet dogs, they have a corona vaccine in their vaccination card. So, सारे dogs, pets का vaccination होना चाहिए. At the same time, you need to be very careful. एक disease होती है जिसको hydrated disease बोलते हैं, which comes from the pets.
Okay.
So, just ensure a good veterinary care of the pets should protect you reasonably.
ओके। एंड आपने एक बुक भी लिखी है, आई वुड लाइक टू नो अबाउट दैट डॉक्टर साहब, प्लीज हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताएंगे उसके बारे में आप?
Show you my book.
Please.
I wrote a book. Basically, आप देखें, what are the diseases which are killing us?
जी
50 years before, आपने सुना होगा there used to be typhoid, cholera, smallpox, chickenpox.
जी
आजकल infection disease तो होती नहीं है.
जी
What kills us? These days, lifestyle disease kills us.
जी
What are the lifestyle diseases? High blood pressure, diabetes, heart problem, obesity. Isn't it like that? Drinking, alcohol, etc. These are the drugs which diseases which are killing us. Now you know there's a problem of obesity more than the undernutrition now.
जी
You know, 35% people are hypertensive. 35% में से 35% ही ट्रीटमेंट लेते हैं. Out of those 35% who take treatment, only 35% are controlled. 35% of population doesn't know that they have a hypertension, and ultimately it affects the heart and kidney. Can you believe in India the incidence of diabetes is almost 14 to 18%? And diabetes is a disease which knocks out the various parts of the body. You see, if you look at this,
ओके
it affects brain, eyes, heart, kidney, nerves, as well as the potency. So diabetes, it affects every part of body. Then we have cardiac problem, obesity. So I wrote a very nice book, Lifestyle Disease and Positive Health. This is a book I'm sure you like to see. This book mentions every possible lifestyle disease. That how do we control hypertension? How do we control diabetes? How do we control heart? And best part is that 80% this book is pictorial.
ओके
And at the end of every disease, there is a written when to meet a doctor. There's a beauty.
ओह वाह
That suppose you are hypertensive, suppose you are a diabetic, reading this book, at the end, each chapter says when to meet a doctor. So at least you know when to meet a doctor. So I think it's a nice to educate everyone
यस
and
एंड
make
वेयर
them.
वी कैन गेट दिस बुक, इज इट ऑनलाइन आल्सो?
So far not online, but I'll make it online. Don't worry about it, and we'll make it online. In fact, I made a film also, Lifestyle Diseases.
ओह
Now, so how to lead a better quality of life? There are small things. If you practice in that, you can lead a better. Suppose you are a diabetic. Now, the diabetic can lead a life up to 100 years if we follow certain principles. Diabetes doesn't affect the longevity and quality of life. But the issue is that if you flout the values, if you don't achieve the target values, it affects your brain, eyes, heart, and kidneys. So there's a saying in English, eye sees what mind knows. So we educate our patients so much that you must have heard that if you're a diabetic, you are debarred from eating sweets, you are debarred
यस
from eating
यस
calorie foods, and that we tell our patients
Yeah.
that eating sweet or high calorie food is not good. But once a while, suppose you want to eat it, we tell them trick.
Mhm.
We educate them calorie count. We educate them. Suppose your dinner you are entitled for 650 calories.
जी
Fine. You take chapati, dal, pulka, chawal, dahi, 650. Suppose your friend insists on having you ice cream. So we'll tell you that one ice cream is 300 calories. So you to have rest of the dinner in remaining 350 calories. So you know the patient education is very important.
यस
If you have any lifestyle disease, that my book says. So that's the way it should happen.
सो बट आई हैव सीन कुछ लोग प्रॉपर डाइट लेते हैं फिर भी उन्हें डायबिटीज हो जाता है, उसका क्या रीजन है डॉक्टर साहब?
Diabetes happens because of heredity, because of genetics,
Okay.
but it happens more if you are overweight,
Okay.
you are stressed, you are hypertensive. So there's no direct link between eating food, less food, or more food. It has a lot of multiple factors. So there's many reasons. But the issue is that even if you have any lifestyle diseases,
जी.
you need a normal life. I always say diabetes is a disease which doesn't affect the longevity and quality of life. We teach the patient so much that I'll ask my diabetic patient, आप कोई भी मेरे पास आएगा मैं पूछूंगा आप क्या खाना चाहते हो
जी.
he will say मैं खाना चाहता हूँ I will fit in ice cream in his food. Ice cream is not good because उसका glycemic index ज्यादा होता है शुगर एकदम बढ़ जाता है बट हम पेशेंट को कंफर्टेबल बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं उसको इस तरह का डाइट चार्ट बनाते हैं that once twice or thrice a week we should fit in the things which he like within the total calorie framework so that he feels very comfortable very happy he doesn't feel dejected कि हम क्या हो गया मैं कुछ भी नहीं खा सकता. So that's the reason we need to tailor make the program of the patient.
Yeah, end of the day we have to follow up, eat healthy and stay healthy. मैं एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी. काफ़ी सारे कॉल्स आ रहे हैं बट ही सेइंग लाइक वो बहुत ज़्यादा चेन स्मोकर हैं एंड इस पे इससे कुछ उनको इफेक्ट तो नहीं होगा कोरोना का. ही सेइंग आई एम ट्राइंग टू लीव दैट बट मैं छोड़ नहीं पा रहा हूँ अभी बट.
मैं आपको बता दूं
जी.
कि स्मोकिंग मेक्स लंग्स वीक.
जी.
एक डिजीज होती है जिसको COPD बोलते हैं क्रोनिक ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव पल्मोनरी डिजीज जो स्मोकर्स में ज्यादा होती है. स्मोकर्स लंग्स आर्किटेक्चर को वीक करते हैं एंड स्मोकर्स को सेकेंडरी इन्फेक्शन होने का रिस्क ज्यादा रहता है. ओवरऑल स्मोकर्स आर द वन जो आपकी इम्यूनिटी को रिड्यूस कर देते हैं.
ओके.
Smokers are at definitely a higher risk than the normal person. So, corona, I don't want to scare you, but definitely smokers' lungs are weaker than a healthy lungs. So, आप देखें कोई भी चीज वीक होगी, इम्यूनिटी कम होगी, तो आपका रिस्क थोड़ा सा बढ़ जाता है. So, could be corona scare should be a good beginning for you to quit smoking.
या ही इज ट्राइंग. ये उन्होंने हमेशा वो शो में पूछते हैं वो ट्राई करते हैं शायद किसी डॉक्टर का कुछ अलग व्यू आए बट ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक सो स्मोकिंग इज इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ एंड इट्स वेरी ट्रू. दैट्स
But
व्हाट.
you know,
या.
the bottom that स्मोकिंग आपको लंग्स को वीक बनाता है डेफिनेटली इम्यूनिटी कम होता है तो एज आई टोल्ड यू हु आर एट रिस्क पीपल विद अ लो इम्यूनिटी सो आई थिंक लेट अस नॉट डू एनीथिंग जिससे हमारा इम्यूनिटी कम हो जाता
जी.
है.
जी. थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर साहब फॉर योर टाइम बट बिफोर वी एंड द शो कुछ आपका मैसेज हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए.
मैं अपने व्यूअर्स को बताना चाहूंगा कि 80% कोरोना इन्फेक्शन में माइल्ड सिम्टम्स होते हैं.
जी.
15 to 16% में माइल्ड लंग इन्फेक्शन और निमोनिया टू ट्रीटेबल है. स्पेशली जो 60 प्लस है डायबिटिक है हाइपरटेंसिव है स्मोकर्स है हार्ट प्रॉब्लम है अस्थमेटिक है वो थोड़ा केयरफुल रहें. आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट कि अगले 3 हफ्ते तक प्लीज डोंट गो आउट हैव फन विथ योर फैमिली स्टे एट होम एंड आई वुड स्ट्रांगली रिकमेंड one of the simple preventive measure is that keep gargling with the warm water
Okay.
and if possible you can take steam 2 or 3 times a day keeping the possibility that it will deactivate if at all any viruses harbored entered or you have been exposed and rest assured I think quarantine yourself probably will tide over the crisis and wish you all the best. Don't worry about it.
Thank you so much, and our salute to all the doctors and nurses worldwide. Thank you so much, doctor. Thank you so much for your time.
When my daughters were unmarried, my wife has decided not to marry them to a doctor, having seen my routine.
Really? No, doctor साहब डॉक्टर में तो हम सबको भगवान नजर आता है. Thank you so much, and it's a really noble profession. Thank you so much for taking our time and giving time to our viewers. Thank you.
It's a pleasure to be with you, Rashmi.
Thank you.
Okay, bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.